we should start with IP in the news. So I did find what I thought was a very interesting article. It's a patent application, which means it hasn't issued as a patent yet. It still has to go through the patent offices. It was filed in Europe and in the US and I think China by Ferrari. And it is a new style of air conditioning where they must be using artificial intelligence somehow for this, I think. But this is just blowing me away because, excuse me, it can tell what gender you are. It can tell different temperatures in different parts of the car. It can tell your body temperature. It can tell your shape and probably your weight. Maybe it can even tell how much you're sweating. I don't know how it's gonna
That's
do.
so interesting. I wonder, it's like if you're a woman, can it tell you're going through menopause and you're having a hot flash? Is that like what the whole?
Well, it can tell the temperature.
Okay.
So it's used to determine the direction, circulation, and temperature of the airflow. So it's just an application now, but I think they'll get a patent on it. I didn't read the whole thing because I'm sure it does a deep dive into technical components, but that just blew me away. Like,
Yeah, it's cool. It's very cool. I guess that's the next phase of cars. Like, what can't they do now, right? Or what can't they tell us about ourselves?
I know, but if they patent it, that's kind of too bad because that'll mean the other car companies can't use it, or they'll have to come up with a different system, right?
Right.
So, but then that's another reason for all of us to go out and buy a Ferrari next time.
Right.
I don't know anybody
Amongst
that.
other things.
So, so we usually call this Richard's Roundtable. So we'll just call it the Roundtable. So Alex, do you have any comments on that, on what you just heard?